Here's a short video to show you how you can personalize your client portal link and application link. On Expert Pro, your clients can use your application link to complete applications for you and access their client portal to update their applications or upload documents. Personalizing these links will be useful in creating a greater sense of trust and legitimacy amongst your clients when they choose to access your application link and the client portal. To personalize your links, you will first need to go into Personal Settings in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Personal Settings, ensure you are under Account, specifically under Profile. Scroll down to the Site URL section. Here, you will see the option to edit your account domain. The account domain refers to your own broker portal, while the client domain refers to the client portal. Any changes you make to your account domain will automatically populate in the client domain and will also be visible within your application link. Click on the existing characters under Portal Domain to remove the values and enter the personalized text. In this case, I would like the domain to have my name in it so that my clients can associate the link to me. Once you have made the changes, make sure you click on Save Changes in the top right corner. You have now successfully updated your client portal link and application link. You can confirm if changes have been made to your application link by going into Applications. Once you are in your applications, click on Add Application in the top right corner and select Send Application Link. You can confirm that the changes have been made to your application link. That's how you can update your application link and client portal link on Expert Pro.